Okay, good morning, parents. Okay, it's a sunny day. How are you all? Yes, good and fine. Okay, so today is a good day. Yes, yes, good morning, everyone. Okay, oh, yes, you all are fine and good. Okay, very good. Okay, so now today is a maths lecture. Yes, today is the maths lecture. Okay, so, okay, today is the maths lecture. Okay, I'm going to tell you one story related to the topic. Okay. There is a two boys. Okay, there is a two boys. They walking and went to the jungle. Okay, when they went to the jungle, and what they are seeing, they are watching that the tree is having no fruits. The tree is having no food. They surprised, what did happen with that tree? There is no fruit on a tree. Why? So can you guess the topic, please? And type it in the chat box. There is a no fruits on a tree. Can you guess the topic? And type it in the chat box, please. Yes, zero. Very good. Zero, very good. Very good, Daivik. Diyadeep, Mayank Parma, very good. So today's, yes, thank you so much, parents. So, because, yes, so today's our topic is zero concept. Which topics? Zero concept. Arav Yadav Patil, it's zero concept. Which topic is there today? Yes, zero concept. You can see I have a two glasses. In my hand, there is a two glasses. If you can see my glasses in my hand, type Y in the chat box, please. Yes, okay. So in these glasses, you can see there is nothing. I didn't feel anything in these two glasses. You can see I didn't feel anything in these two glasses. So the glasses are empty. Means what? Means this glass is a zero object glass. Which? A zero object glass, because in this glass nothing is there. See, you can see I can, yes. So these glasses are a zero object glass. Which, what is this? A zero object glass. Okay, now here is one more glass with me. Okay, so in this glass, see, I'm putting something. Okay, in this glass, I'm putting something. Okay, now you can see this glass. Can everyone see this glass? Okay, can you tell me how is this glass? Yes, it's is this zero object glass? Is this a zero object glass? Yes or no? Type it in the chat. No. Why? Because this glass is full with the marbles. You can see the marbles in my hand. Yes, this glass is a full with the marbles. Okay, so this glass is a full with the marbles. So now, so this glass is full with the objects. So okay, so now today we are going to see the topic zero object. Yes, the topic is a zero object. Okay, so the concept is a zero object. Yes, this concept is a zero, introduction of a zero concept. Okay, you can see there is a bowl. Okay, you can see this is a bowl. Is there any object in this glass? Sorry, bowl. You can see this bowl is a full with the object or zero with the object. You can type it in the chat box, please. Zero, yes. So this bowl is a zero object bowl. Yes, this bowl is a zero object bowl. There is nothing in this bowl. So this bowl is a zero object bowl. Like this, you can tell to your kids about a zero concept. आप ऐसे अपने बच्चों को जीरो का कंसेप्ट बता सकते हैं. Like this, मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में ही दिखाया था. You can take a plain two glasses and in between that here I'm having the marbles. You can put any other object and give them the two examples. Okay, one is a full with the objects and other one is a zero with the object, and tell them, so see, this is a full with the object, so means this is not a zero object glass, and this object is a, this glass is a empty, means what, it's a zero object glass. See, when okay, this is a popcorn bucket. You know, everyone went to the cinema hall, and that time you are buying this popcorn bucket, right? So can you see, is there any popcorn in this bucket? It's a, answer is no. Answer is no, because there is nothing in this bucket. Yes, Swayamure, very good. In this bucket, there is a no popcorn in this bucket. Means what? This is a, yes, means what? This is a zero object bucket. This is a zero object bucket. Okay. So now you can see this tree. Can you see this tree? Can you see anything on the tree? Fruit is there on this tree? Can you see any fruit on this tree? No. The answer is no, because the tree is only having the leaves. हमको क्या चाहिए, उस पे fruits चाहिए, तो fruits तो नहीं है. Means this tree is a zero object tree. Means the tree is a zero object tree. What? A zero object tree. I'm repeating one more time. There is nothing on a tree. Fruit नहीं है. तो क्या हुआ ये? Yes, it's a zero object tree. Yes, it's a zero object tree. See, now I am drawing the fruits. Now, is it a zero object tree? It's a no, because it's पे fruits आ गए ना. So yes, so like this, you can teach to your kids about the zero concept. Next, you can see this cage. आप ये cage देख सकते हो? Okay. Okay, so in this cage, you can see there is one cage is having two birds. You can see here, this cage is having two birds, and this cage, you can see these two birds are now flying away from the cage. These two birds are flying away from the cage. So can you tell me, is this a zero cage? Yes or no? Type it in the chat. No, very good. Mayank Verma, very good. So now, everyone, very good. Thank you so much for the responses, parents. Okay, now, here is another cage. But this cage is empty. So, this is a zero object cage or a, yes, it's a zero object cage. Yes, it's a zero object cage. Yes, thank you so much, parents, for the responses. Yes. Okay, now you are having the egg basket at your home. सबके घर पे होता ही है. Okay, now here is also a full of eggs. This basket is having a full of eggs. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे eggs है. Now, can you tell me, in this basket, any egg is there? No. There is a no egg in this basket. Means what? This basket is a zero object basket. This object is a, sorry, this basket is a zero object basket. Means this is a zero concept. This is also a zero concept. Yes. So like, okay, now how to form a zero? Okay, so 1, 2, 3 is easy for the kids, but how to form the zero? It's again a circle. You can see here a circle. Yes. So like this, give them the crayon and repeat this action with the kids. You can take a plain paper. See, my zero is looking beautiful now. So red, red, zero. Yes. So like this, you can take the practice of a zero number also, because zero is nothing, but without zero, anything is not there. If you put one number and if you take one number and put after zero one number, then what is the quality of that one number? It's a 10. If you put 10 number, if you take 10 number and put 0 on after the 10 number, the quality of 0 is what? It's a 100. So like this, 0 is nothing, but without 0 भी कुछ नहीं है. Yes. So like this you can take the practice of the zero concept of your kids. Okay, now in the previous lecture we already learned the 1 to 50 numbers. Yes or no, parents? And in this lecture we already told you, I already told you how to pronounce the 2-digit number. मैंने आपको बताया था 2-digit number आपको कैसे pronounce करना है. Yes. Yes, okay. So now today we are going to see the numbers 51 to 60. Which numbers we are going to see today? It's a 51 to 60 numbers. You can see here. Yes, it's a 51 to 60 numbers. Yes, okay. Now here is a, yes, here is a 5, 1, 51. Okay, here I am showing you the flashcard. Okay. See, here is a 50 and here is a 1. 5, 1, 51 means 50 and 1. It's called a 51. Okay, now here you can see 50 and 2 means what? 52. 50 and 2, 52. 5 to 52. Next, see here. It's 50 and 3 means what? 5, 3, 53. 5, 3, 53. Again. Okay, now this is 4 number. It's 5, 50 and 3. Sorry, 50 and 4. 54 means 5, 4, 54. 5, 4, 54. Next is a 5. 5, 5, 55. 5, 5, 55. Yes, 50 and 5, 5, 5, 55. Next is a 6, 5 and 6. It's a 56. 5 and 6. It's a 56. It's 50 and 7. 5, 7, 57. 50 and 7. 5, 7, 57. Okay, now next number is 8 and 50. 50 and 8. 5, 8, 58. 50 and 8. 5, 8, 58. Next is a 50 and 9. 5, 9, 59. 50 and 9. 5, 9, 59. Now last number is, which number is this? Yes, it's 6, 0, 60. 6, 0, 60. Yes, so these are the 51 to 60 numbers. Yes. Okay, so now, okay, so here again you have to do one thing. आप ऐसे book में लिख लीजिए and tell to your kids. Okay, no problem. Shaurya, no problem. Okay, so here you can take the practice of 51 to 60 numbers. What you have to do, this is your notebook page. Write down the 51 to 55 in a one page and 56 to 60 in a other page, and take the practice of 51 to 56 number. But how we have to pronounce the numbers, 2-digit number? It's 5, 1, 51, 5, 2, 52, 5, 3, 53, 5, 4, 54, and 5, 5, 55, 5, 6, 56, 5, 7, 57, 5, 8, 58, 5, 9, 59, and 6, 0, 60. Yes, 6, 0, 60. Yes, so like this, up. Wait a minute, parents. Okay, so like this, आप finger पे भी practice ले सकते हो. Okay, you can take the practice on the fingers also. Fingers also. 1, 2, 3 and number 5 only. Okay. Next, here you can take the practice of missing number 51 to 60. आप यहाँ पे 51 to 60 missing numbers का practice ले सकते हैं. What यहाँ पे देखो beautiful train draw किया है. You can draw that type of beautiful pictures to the kids, or easy. You can draw the apple and tell them, okay, in this apple I'm writing 51, and after 51 which number is coming? Yes, you can see 5 1. 1 के बाद कौन सा number आता है? It's a 2. Means what you have to write? It's 5 2 52. Yes, it's 5. It's 5 and 2, 52. Now here is a 5 3 53, 5 4 54. And after 4, which number is coming? It's a 5. Means which number we have to write here? It's 5 5 55. 5 5 55. Yes. After that, number is nothing. So after 55, which number is came? After 5, which number came? 6. Means what we have to write? 5 and only 6. 56. Yes, 5 and 6. 56 is a 5 7 57 and 5 8 58. After 8, which number is coming? It's a 9. Now means what we have to write here? It's a 5 9 59. And last number is what? It's a 60 60 60 60 60. So like this you can take the practice of missing number of your kids. आप ऐसे missing numbers का भी practice बच्चों का ले सकते हैं. Also you can do, आप ऐसे train निकाल सकते हो, और as caterpillar is the best form. आप ऐसे कैटरपिलर निकालिए और बच्चों को बोलिए कि आप यहाँ पे कैटरपिलर में क्या करना है, आपको ऐसे 51 to 60 नंबर्स ड्रॉ करने हैं और उनको बीच वाले नंबर आपको नहीं निकालने हैं. तो आपको क्या बोलना है बच्चों को? ओके, नाउ हियर यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द नंबर्स, मिसिंग नंबर्स. जो बीच में नंबर मिसिंग नंबर्स है वो आपको क्या करने हैं? ड्रॉ करने हैं. यस. नेक्स्ट, count the object and write the correct number in the box. Same, आपको क्या करना है? ऐसे बहुत सारे number wise object निकालने हैं. It's you can draw the circle, triangle, square, whatever object is object you can draw. Okay, see here. So how we have to count? आपको कैसे count करना है? See. Okay. बच्चे, मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था बच्चे कैसे count करते हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. बिकॉज उनको क्या होता है? जल्दी कंप्लीट करना होता है. बट हमको उनको बताना है आपको ऐसे काउंट नहीं करना. डू द स्लैंटिंग लाइन ऑन ईच ऑब्जेक्ट. सी, इट्स 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. सो लाइक दिस टेक द प्रैक्टिस. ऐसे उनको स्लैंटिंग. क्या होगा अगर बीच में उन्होंने कुछ नंबर खा लिया? ओके, अगेन काउंट द नंबर. तो क्या होगा उनका यहाँ, if the number is 54, तो 54 तक उनका almost 5 to 6 टाइम प्रैक्टिस होगा, because they are repeating again and again 1 to 54 number. So that's why क्या होगा उनका 1 to 54 नंबर अगेन एंड अगेन प्रैक्टिस होगा, तो उनका वो नंबर कंसेप्ट भी बाय हार्ट होगा. नेक्स्ट, राइट द मिसिंग नंबर्स. आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू बिफोर ऑल्सो. आप ऐसे ही बच्चों को सिंपल वे में भी बता सकते हो, और एल्स कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट ड्रॉ करके भी दे सकते हो उनको कि आपको ऐसे काउंट करना है. आपको ऐसे काउंट करके यहाँ पे नंबर्स लिखना है. सी हियर इज 51. ओके, तो नंबर 1 ऑलरेडी है. आपको एक और एक इजी वे है. सी हियर इज 5 नंबर इज कॉमन. 5 तो आता ही है. ओके, 5 नंबर already 50 means 5. 1 number is already given. 1 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? Ask your kids. Okay, it's a 2. Means which number we have to write here? It's the 52. See here. It's a 52. Okay, now it's a 52 is done. Okay, now number 2 is done. Okay, after 2 there is a 3. 53. After 53, 5 3 53. 3 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? It's a 4. Means again we have to write 5 and which number? It's a 4 and it's a 5 5 55. Here is a 5 number. 5 number हमको already लिखना है and okay हमने 5 number लिख दिया. Okay, this 5 After 5, which number came? It's a 6, means 5, 6, 56. Okay, then here is the 6. After 6, which number came? Again 7, 5, 7, 57. Next is a 5, 8, 58. After 8, which number is coming? It's a 5, 9, 59. This is a easy method to missing numbers and also after numbers. आप after number का भी ऐसे प्रैक्टिस ले सकते हो. क्या ले सकते हो प्रैक्टिस? बिकॉज हियर इज अ 52, 51 है तो 1 के बाद अगेन नंबर इज कमिंग. which number is coming? It's a 2. Okay, 2. And after 52, 5 लिखना है. Then which number? It's a 3. So like this, you can take the practice of the missing numbers and the after numbers. आप ऐसे after numbers का भी practice ले सकते हैं. Also, you can give them the objects to the counting. अभी हमने आज मैंने 51 to 60 सिखाया. ओके, आज हमने 51 to 60 सीखा. तो आपको क्या करना है? 1 to 60 नंबर्स का रिवाइज लेना है. क्या करना है आपको? 1 to 60 नंबर्स का रिवाइज लेना है. Do one thing. Here I'm showing how to do. Okay, here you can draw. Okay, here you can draw the circle. Okay. My screen is small, so I'm only drawing the limited objects here. Okay, so you can draw the 50, 60 till 60 numbers. You have to draw the objects. आपको क्या करना है? ऐसे objects देने. And tell to your kids that okay, now here you have to color the 53 objects, 52 objects or a 55. आपको क्या करना है? इसमें से 55 सर्कल्स को क्या करना है? आपको कलर करना है. क्या करना है? आपको कलर करना है. So start from here. 1 तो क्या होगा? उनका काउंटिंग भी होगा. 1, 2 and 3. अगर 4, 10 तक उनको आपको काउंटिंग बताना है. ओके, नाउ द 10 इज डन. ओके, 10 डन. अगेन काउंट इट फ्रॉम 1. अगेन इट इज 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ओके, आपने 10 तक कलर कर लिया. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर 10 which number is coming? It's a 11. Okay, now again do the. Okay, now it's 20 done. Again, tell them count from the 1. Tell them count from the. Okay, now आपको क्या करना? Again counting from 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 is done. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19 and 2, 0, 20. Here you can see मैंने काउंटिंग कितनी बार की है? यहाँ पे 3 टाइम्स मैंने काउंटिंग किया. आई डन 3 टाइम्स काउंटिंग. सो ऐसे क्या होगा बच्चों का भी? यहाँ पे 20 तक मेरा 3 टाइम्स हो गया तो 60 तक दे आर काउंटिंग द नंबर्स 6 टाइम्स. 5 to 6 times they are counting the numbers. तो क्या होगा उनका? Again and again they are repeating the numbers. क्या होगा उनका? Again and again they are repeating the numbers. उससे क्या होगा उनका? वो numbers उनके बाय हार्ट हो जाएंगे. आप ऐसा कंसेप्ट देखिए बच्चों का क्या होगा? बाय हार्ट. सेम अगर आपने कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स भी दिए उनको, सेम अबाउट द ऑब्जेक्ट्स, आप कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स भी दिए उनको, सेम आपको क्या करना है? अच्छा चलो आप पहले 10 काउंटिंग करो, देन काउंट टिल 20. आपको क्या करना है? 10 तक काउंटिंग किया आपने, चलो अभी 20 तक काउंटिंग करो. कहाँ तक काउंटिंग करना है आपको? 20 तक. ओके, 20 डन. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अगेन 1. तो 20 क्लियर हुआ. देन अगेन टेल देम ओके आफ्टर 21 स्टार्ट 21, 22. ओके 30 तक हुआ. ओके स्टार्ट अगेन फ्रॉम 1. सो ऐसे उनका अगेन एंड अगेन दे आर रिपीटिंग द नंबर्स और उनका वो प्रैक्टिस भी होगा. कलरिंग का भी हो, कलरिंग भी होगा यहाँ पे, उनका कलरिंग मेथड भी होगा और उनको ऑब्जेक्ट काउंटिंग भी हो जाएगा. ओके 6060 सेम अबाउट मैंने आपको बताया. ऐसे आप बच्चों का प्रैक्टिस ले सकते हो. और एल्स आप क्या कर सकते हो? यू कैन ड्रॉ अ नंबर्स ऑन अ in your home there is a tiles over there. आपके घर में टाइल्स तो होती है, everyone is having tiles. आपको क्या करना है? draw a number on a tiles. आपको नंबर्स टाइल्स पे नंबर्स ड्रॉ करने. क्या करने हैं आपको? नंबर्स टाइल्स पे ड्रॉ करने. एंड व्हाट यू कैन डू, आप टाइल्स पे नंबर ड्रॉ करके क्या कर सकते हो? ओके Tell to your kids that stand in on a 51 number. आपको 51 number पे खड़े होना है. Okay, now jump it to the 52 numbers. तो ऐसे क्या होगा? They are playing. उनको गेम भी लगेगा and they can recognize the numbers also. Okay, parents. I hope you understood all the concept of numbers 51 to 60 and a zero concept. Okay, so there is a question for you. Which topic we learned today? Type it in the chat box, please. हमने आज कौन सा टॉपिक देखा? आप प्लीज टाइप करिए चैट बॉक्स में. Okay, thank you, Mayank. Thank you, Mayank, Sharvil, Jaskreet, Shruti, everyone. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much, parents, for the responses. It's time to say bye, everyone. See you in the next session. Till that, yes, concept of zero. Thank you, Maitreyi. Okay, so till that time, take care of yourself. Stay healthy and stay safe. Bye, everyone.